In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete all the books on StoryGraph. To begin, open your StoryGraph app. Once you're on the home page, you'll be able to see all the books you've added. If you want to delete a specific book, the process is very simple. Tap on the book you want to remove, then tap on the drop-down arrow. From the available options, select Remove Book and confirm by tapping OK. This will successfully delete that particular book from your account. However, if you have a large number of books and want to delete all of them at once, there's a way to do that too. Start by tapping on the three lines located in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. From the menu that appears, tap on Manage Account. Scroll down to the bottom of the Manage Account page and you'll see several options. Delete to Read Pile, Delete Own Books, and Delete Books, Reviews, and Tags. To delete everything, including all your saved books, any written reviews, and added tags, tap on Delete Books, Reviews, and Tags. Keep in mind that this action is irreversible. You will be prompted once more to confirm this deletion. Tap on OK to proceed. After a few moments, all of your books, reviews, and tags will be removed from your account. When you return to your home page, you'll notice that no books will appear because everything has been deleted. And that's how you can delete all books from your StoryGraph account.